Part 3 of the GL module will explain how to use the GL inquiry, the GL activity report, as well as the GL trial balance. In order to get results, you will need to have created transactions in either the general ledger, accounts payable, or accounts receivable modules. Once you have run the register update, you may view your posted transactions with the GL inquiry program. To begin, select GL inquiry from the menu. This can be found in the Accounting menu under General Ledger, Entries and Processing. You may run the program by either double-clicking on it or by right-clicking and selecting Run Program from the menu. Select your company as well as the period for which you wish to view your transactions. You will see a list of all the GL accounts with their respective balances for the selected period. Select a GL account with activity. The list of the transactions that were posted to this account for this period will appear at the bottom of the screen. You may view the details of this transaction by either pressing the F5 key on the register number or by clicking the button. In this details screen, you may view even further information of the original entry by pressing F5 or by clicking the button next to the document number. This will show you the actual entry that generated this transaction. And we simply click the X's to exit from these screens. Next is the GL activity report. The GL activity report is detailed information regarding the debits and credits activity of your GL accounts for a selected period of time. These transactions can come from the accounts receivable, accounts payable, as well as the general ledger. To begin, select GL activity report from the menu. This may be found in the Accounting menu under General Ledger, Analysis and Reporting. You may run the program by either double-clicking on it or right-clicking and selecting Run Program from the menu. Select the company from the drop-down list. Next, select the From period for your report, as well as the To period. You may do this by either selecting it from the drop-down list or by clicking the button and selecting your period. Next, choose whether you wish to print the activity for all accounts or for tagged accounts by selecting the option from the drop-down list. Select the type of transactions from the drop-down list from the predefined list of actual, budget, and projection. Next, you have the option to print the report by GL Register, which will print the totals of the transactions by GL Register, or to print the details, which will list all of the individual transactions. Select Preview as the output to if you wish to print the report. This will generate a PDF file that can be printed or saved. Or you may select Excel if you wish to generate an Excel file. If you selected all accounts, click the OK button to generate the report. If you selected tagged accounts, like this, you must select which GL accounts you wish to include on your report. You can either click the checkbox or press the Enter key to make your selection. Please keep in mind that the OK button will only be enabled if you selected at least one account with the Tagged Accounts option. And now here you can see your GL activity report. And there will be different pages. It's printed by GL. The next report we have is the GL trial balance. The GL trial balance will print a list of the GL accounts with their respective balances. The debit balance values will be listed in the debit column of the trial balance, and the credit value balance will be listed in the credit column. The total of all debits should equal the total of all credits. To begin, select GL trial balance from the menu. This can be found in the Accounting menu under General Ledger, Analysis and Reporting. You may run the program by either double-clicking on it or by right-clicking and selecting Run Program from the menu. Select the company code from the drop-down list. Next, select your period from the drop-down list or you may press the F5 key or the button to view the list of periods and make your selection from there. Next, select Preview as the output to if you wish to print the report. This once again will generate a PDF file that may be printed or saved. Select Excel if you wish to generate an Excel file. You may include the GL accounts with a zero balance or with no zero balance. If you choose not to print accounts with zero balance, only accounts with debit or credit balance will be listed. Click the OK button to generate your report. As you can see here, we have only our total debits equal our total credits. Therefore, we have a balanced trial balance. This concludes Part 3 of our General Ledger module. Please be sure to watch Part 4 to learn how to set up your currencies and bank accounts, as well as how to use the bank book. Thank you.